What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO installment card, credit card. Pag-uusapan natin yung perks and benefits at saka yung annual fee kung magkano, then yung fees and charges of course, at saka yung application requirements kung magkano yung income requirement. Kasi of course, kailangan yung income requirement para ma-qualify kayo sa credit card application ninyo. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, BDO installment card. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Yun po yung credit card na sinasabi ko, na sinasabing BDO installment credit card, which is MasterCard siya. Request for cash with ease whenever you need it. So, and every time na kailangan mo ng cash, this credit card can help. Then, get ready cash for your needs. Convert 100% of your credit limit into cash and pay an easy installment for up to 36 months. So, medyo magaan siya sa bulsa guys kasi up to 3 years yung pwede nyong piliing tenurement or payment terms kung gaano nyo siya katagal bayaran up to 36 months or 3 years. Then, light installment terms, pay comfortably with easy monthly installment terms of up to 36 months. Repeat cash availments, avail cash again as your credit limit replenishes after payment. So kapag nabayaran nyo siya, yung due date or yung outstanding balance ng inyong ginamit, pwede nyo ulit gamitin anytime. Then request cash quickly and conveniently. Get cash easily via BDO website, BDO branches, or cash availment hotline. Pwede nyo siyang itawag sa customer service or kung may malapit na branch sa inyo, pwede kayong pumunta para mag-avail ng cash sa credit card na ito. Then ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin guys yung perks and benefits. Ngayon, nakalagay dito, why choose BDO installment card? Financial flexibility. Convert up to 100% of your assigned credit limit into cash and pay on easy monthly installment terms. Then light payment terms, pay cash availment in light monthly installment from 3 to 36 months. So yung pinakamababa guys is 3 months na payment terms. Then yung pinakamataas is yung 36 months. Then repeat cash availment. The assigned credit limit automatically gets replenished on every payment. So kapag nabayaran nyo siya, automatic siya mag-replenish. Then re-avail any time up to the available credit limit. So of course, kung magkano yung available credit limit nyo, yun lang yung pwede nyong i-avail syempre. Then quick and convenient. Avail cash easily. Request on available cash availment channels. Low membership fee. Take advantage of the low annual membership fee of only 1,000 pesos per year. So, ito yung maganda guys kasi 1,000 pesos lang siya. Tapos kung may credit limit ito na 1 million, oh, 'di ba? Sulit na sulit yung annual fee kasi 1,000 pesos lang yung annual fee nito. Hassle-free application. Avail cash without collateral or co-maker. So, hindi mo na kailangan ng co-maker para makapag-avail ng cash. Then, worldwide acceptance. Use your BDO MasterCard credit card in all over the world. Your card is accepted in over 20 million locations in around 275 countries and territories. So, around the world siya guys, pwede siyang gamitin of course. Then ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin yung fees and charges. Unang-una guys is yung annual fee. Magkano nga ba yung annual fee ng BDO installment card credit card? So nakikita nyo dito guys, annual membership fee is 1,000 per principal. Then sa supplementary naman is 500. Monthly interest rate, of course, is 3% retail and cash advance transactions inclusive of cash advance fee. So, ibig sabihin guys, kapag hindi nyo nabayaran yung outstanding balance ninyo ng buo, yung ipapatong sa next billing cycle is 3% kung magkano yung outstanding balance na hindi nyo nabayaran. Halimbawa, may natirang 10,000. Yung 3% ng 10,000 guys is 300. So, on the next billing cycle, nakikita nyo doon, retail purchase, interest, finance charge is 300 pesos. Kasi 3% ng 10,000 is 300. Then next guys is yung installment availment fee. 200 pesos for every approved cash installment transaction. So kapag nag-cash installment kayo, 200 pesos yon. 250 pesos for every approved balance transfer, balance convert transaction. So kapag nag-balance transfer kayo guys, ano ibig sabihin nito? Yung balance ng iba nyong credit card, gusto nyong ilipat dito sa BDO installment card credit card. So 250 pesos yung fee niya, which is yung processing fee na sinasabi. Tapos 100 pesos for every approved purchase convert transaction. So kapag nagpa-convert kayo ng purchase transaction ninyo, Take note lang guys, 3,000 pesos pataas yung pwedeng i-convert into installment. Kung gusto niyo ipa-convert yung pinabili ninyo. 100 pesos yung availment fee. Cash advance fee, 200 pesos per transaction. Tapos, maliban sa 200 pesos na transaction fee, may 3% na ipapatong every month kapag hindi nyo pa nababayaran ng buo yung kinash advance ninyo. Then, yung late payment charge is 850 pesos or unpaid minimum amount due, whichever is lower. So, yung maging late payment charge guys is kung magkano yung mas bababa. Halimbawa, yung unpaid minimum amount due ninyo is 300. So, yun yung masusunod kasi whichever is lower. Ngayon, kung lumagpas ng 1,850 lang kasi whichever is lower nga. Then, return check fee, ADA return check is 1,250 per return check or insufficient ADA account. Then, sales slip retrieval fee is 300 pesos for each sales slip retrieve for local transactions or 500 pesos for each sales slip retrieve for international transactions. Last card replacement fee, kung nawala yung credit card nyo, nagka-fraud, nagka-problema, nasira, nang hindi pa naaabot yung expiry date, may bayad yun which is 400 pesos. Pero kung nag-expire na yung card ninyo, libre lang yung replacement nun. Gambling or gaming fee is 5% of transacted amount or 500 pesos whichever is higher. Installment processing fee is 5% of the total remaining balance or 300 pesos whichever is higher. SOA reprint fee, 30 pesos per SOA request. Refund fee is 1% of the amount to be refunded or 100 pesos whichever is higher. So ano yung refund fee? Halimbawa nag-over limit kayo tapos gusto nyo ipa-refund. So 1%. Kung lumagpas ng 100 pesos, yung 1% kung magkano yung ipapa-refund, yun yung masusunod. Pero kung hindi umabot yung 1%, kung magkano yung gusto nyo ipa-refund, 100 pesos siya kasi whichever is higher. Then overseas card delivery fee is 2,500 pesos. Then ngayon, dapo naman tayo ngayon guys sa application requirements. So, sa application requirements guys is check your qualification, 21 to 60 years old for principal card holders. Applicant must be a Filipino citizen or a foreigner who is a resident of the Philippines. Minimum gross fixed monthly income is 15,000 pesos. So, kung magtatanong kayo kung magkano yung income requirement ng BDO installment card, credit card, 15,000 pesos po siya. Good credit card ito sa yung mga nagsasahod ng minimum, which is 600 plus. Application requirements. So, gather documents. A is proof of identification. Of course, hindi mawawala yung proof of identification for both primary and supplementary applicant. Filipino, any valid photo-bearing identification document, front and back, government-issued ID, example, Philippine Identification System or PhilSys ID, passport, driver's license, SSS ID, or etc. Supplementary application who are studying may submit a valid school ID. Kapag estudyante pa yung supplementary card applicant, pwede yung student ID ninyo. Then foreigner, copy of employment contract or certificate of employment. Then number 2 is letter from embassy, embassy official. Then ngayon, dapo naman tayo sa proof of income. Employed applicants, photocopy of latest income tax return, duly stamped as received by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, BIR or BIR form 2316 signed by employer's authorized representative, mandatory. Kapag sinabing mandatory guys, kailangan na kailangan. Plus any of the following. Take note, any of the following. Kahit isa lang dyan. Original certificate of employment indicating status, service tenure, and compensation breakdown if with existing credit card, photocopy of at least 2 months statement of account of your credit card that is at least 1 year on books. Then para naman sa mga self-employed applicants, photocopy of income tax return, ITR, duly stamped as received by the Bureau of Internal Revenue and audited financial statements at least 2 years, mandatory. Photocopy of registration of business name, mandatory. DTI registration for single proprietorship or SEC registration for partnership and corporation. 3 is latest 3 months bank statements, optional. So, pag sinabing optional, kung wala kayo, kailangan kung meron, di mas maganda. So, I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!